Oh, I didn't see you guys there. Literally, because I just put my vision on. Good morning, you guys. Today is August 19th, 10 a.m. We have a busy day. I'm just spraying the counters, but I have a workout class at 12 today. First time I've worked out since the 7th, so almost 2 weeks. It was mainly because my hair is straight. I'm actually gonna start I really hate to even bring it up because that means I might be obligated to actually go through with it and finish it. But I might as well just say it, and hopefully that's a good thing to be motivated to go through with it. But I'm starting the TING workout because I have been stuck at the same weight for I feel like a month. I just feel like I need to add something else. That's what I'm actually about to do once I get myself settled. The workout that I actually am going to be doing is the small waist big butt. That's not exactly what it's called, but it's something like that. I think it's like a 26-day workout, and it gradually increases in time. So the one for today, 20 minutes. As the days go, it's going to gradually get longer and longer. I just realized I need to take like a before and after photo of my belly. So I just took the before photo, and now I'm about to get started with day one. I got my yoga mat out. Okay, so it is the Hourglass Booty and Abs program. I totally had the name wrong. This is day one, and it's a total of 25 minutes. It literally just takes you to her YouTube channel and you do the workouts with her. You guys, I'm sweating so bad. Like, I wiped most of it off my face. I did not expect that to be that hard, but that was hard, you guys. I guess because I do mostly cardio, not as much toning now. A change in workout can really like jolt your body. But anyway, I got my planner right here because I need to write down every day. So at the top of my planner here, it has a today's top 3, and so I'm able to put what's most important for those days. The planner is from Day Designer, and you can get it from Target. But anyway, for the next 26 days, I need to put TING workout. I just wrote down all the days. I'll be done on September 14th. So, not that long actually. I can do it. All right, you guys, I am late. But it should be fine. So I just called to get to make an appointment to get service done to my car. That was like the longest conversation for me to make an appointment. But anyway, just got here. I'm actually really excited. So let's get it. Oh, you guys, super tired. And I still have plenty to do. But now I'm about to go home, shower, wax my underarms because yes, I feel like it was okay because it's dark in there, but I'm about to go wax my underarms now. Then I have a phone call meeting at 2:30. Okay, small change in plans. What is this on the camera? I'm at my parents' house because I have a package over here, my mom told me. Daddy! He just closed the door on me. Don't be rude.
Hey, pumpkin.
Tell the people hello. Okay, here is the package. I don't know who this is from. I'll take it and open it at home. I'm about to get in the shower, but before I do that, I need to turn on my wax machine so it could be getting hot. I will link it in the description box if you guys want to check it out. It's so messy because I actually use it. So I'm gonna turn it all the way up so it can melt and then turn it down to the temperature. So just got out the shower and I realized that I didn't have enough wax in my wax machine. So I had to put more wax in there. I mean, there was some in there, but it wasn't enough for not even one armpit. But yeah, so changing plans. I'm not going to wax my underarms before my meeting. I'm gonna wax them after my meeting. I'm going to eat a little something and answer some emails. I'm sitting here watching YouTube and legit almost forgot about my meeting. It's in 2 minutes and I just looked at the clock.
Welcome to Google Meet. Enter the meeting pin followed by the pound key.
So I just finished my meeting and like a wave of sleep just came down on me. Probably because I worked out for the first time in so many weeks. So I'm gonna lay down for about probably an hour. It's 3:04 right now and I have a master class at 5:30. Yeah, I'm gonna lay down for a little bit because I need to rest. So my day just doesn't want me to wax my underarms. I woke up at 5 instead of 4:30 because of snooze, of course. Now I'm about to throw on this wig I've been wearing recently on my Instagram. You guys might have seen it by now. I don't know when this video is gonna be posted, but I will link it below. I have been loving it. I've been wearing it half up, half down, and I just think it is so cute. I have 1 minute until the class, so I'm gonna try to put this wig on as fast as possible because I'm actually gonna make myself some coffee. I know, probably shouldn't do that. I'm just really tired. I kept pressing snooze. My camera is dying, you guys.
And your makeup, I mean, it will be set longer than 16 hours, but you'll also have a subtle highlight in the center of the face.
So my hair is down because I thought I was about to film a TikTok, but no. Instead, I'm going to put on my makeup and film a YouTube video because I haven't posted on YouTube in like 6 days because last week was not really a good week for me. So I didn't have anything filmed, and like honestly, I guess earlier this week, Sunday and Monday wasn't that great either. It's Wednesday and now feeling like myself again. So I am going to film one of the hardest videos that I film, which are lip swatch videos, and it's of the new MAC Powder Kiss lipsticks. Well, not the lipsticks, but they're liquid lip colors, like a liquid lipstick basically. 17 of them, I think, if I counted correctly. So not as bad as like other lip swatch videos I've done that literally take forever and my lips hurt afterwards. So this should be decent. And then if I feel up to it after that, I'm going to film a wig try on video because I ordered some more wigs off Amazon because you guys seem to enjoy the last one that I did. 3 wigs and they're very different than the first video. So I'm about to throw on some music and I'll be back when my makeup is done. I just finished my makeup and this is what it looks like. I love the way it came out. I'm about to film the wig try on video just because I like my lipstick right now, so I want to go ahead and film that before I film the lip swatch video. And that's if I film the lip swatch video tonight, because who knows at this point. But on my eyes, I actually use the Sigma Untamed palette, and I am so pleasantly surprised with this palette because when I first got it, I'm gonna be honest, I really didn't think I was gonna like it that much because these are the colors. It seems like kind of like a random color story, but when you really look at it, it does have a lot of combinations that you can create with it. So I use Hustle on the lid, and then these 2 shades like in the crease and lower lash line, and this in the outer corner and on the lower lash line. So yeah, I was able to create a really nice look, so I can't wait to keep playing with that. And then for lips, I use the Dose of Colors Cork liquid lipstick, and to line my lips, I'm pretty sure this isn't available anymore. This is the MAC and Aaliyah collection. Pretty sure it was limited edition, but it's the lip pencil in Nevermore. I honestly think it's a black lip pencil, and I will never get rid of this because it comes in clutch in a lot of situations. By adding this black lip pencil, it really gave like some depth to the lip that otherwise wouldn't be there. So I'm hyped up on coffee, so I might be up a long time, and I was trying not to be up a long time, but you know. So let me get started with filming. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I changed robes because I'm about to film the MAC lip swatch video. Wanted to kind of make it look like it's not the same day. But honestly, I just told you guys it's literally 10:18 p.m. and I'm starting this video. Let's see how long it takes me to swatch. This is all of them right here. It's a lot of pinks, like in the pink family, like this whole section, pink purple family. So this is the end of this lip swatch video. Whew, you guys, I just finished filming. It is 11:30 p.m. and I'm actually about to cook some chicken. I'm not about to eat it, but I want to go ahead and cook the chicken because if I don't have something cooked, then I'll make a bad decision and order food as opposed to cooking. So I'm about to prep the chicken and bake it. So got that cooking. Now I'm about to take off my makeup, take off my wig, and finally wax my underarms. I've been trying to do that all day and it's literally midnight. So technically I didn't get to do it yesterday. Okay, I got my wax machine getting hot again for the third time today. Take this wig off. I'm just thinking I probably should have made the broccoli tonight too, but I'll just make that tomorrow. For those of you that watched all the way to the end of my last day of my life vlog, you saw that my parents got me a GoPro for my birthday, and I actually bought a chest mount so that I can wear the GoPro on me, and I still cannot figure out how to set up that thing. So hopefully by the next day of my life vlog I'll be then figured it out. So let's cross our fingers for that. So I'm done with my skincare. I just throw on a tube top so that when I wax my underarms, it's a lot easier. And I realized that I forgot to open the package with you guys, the one that I got from my parents' house. So let's do that, see what's inside. Oh, so I heard about this. KVD Vegan Beauty is coming to Ulta. So this was confidential until the 17th, but I actually just got it today and it's the 19th. So I am good. This is so exciting. They sent over some products, a lot of products actually. Now that they have a different owner and everything, I'm super excited to test everything out. We have setting powder, we have some contour, the Shade and Light contour palettes, brow products, and just a lot of different stuff. So exciting. Thank you so much, KVD Vegan Beauty. So the timer is going off. Let's get the chicken out. I hear it sizzling. Don't touch it. We made a lot of juice. I'll let it cool down and then I'm gonna throw it in the refrigerator. It smells so good though. Like I want some of that chicken right now. It honestly looks like I have on lip gloss, but it's just the stain from me swatching. So let's finally get to waxing. Like, come on. I've been talking about that this whole vlog. I've honestly gotten much better from my first video when I tried to do this for the first time. Much better. Okay, one armpit done. All right, thanks so much for coming. Make sure you leave a tip. It only took all day and into the next day for me to get that done. Now I'm about to put on my headscarf. So whoa, that was weird. I don't know how that happened. All right, got my pajamas. Hopefully that don't happen again. Really? There has to be a ghost in here. Like, how does that keep happening? All right, you guys, I am completely ready for bed. Hopefully this wasn't too long of a day of my life video. I feel like I did a lot of stuff today. It's literally 1 a.m. So thank you guys so much for watching. As always, make sure that you subscribe and thumbs up this video before you leave. And I promise I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.